Hello everyone. So today we are going to review before we move on to lesson 2.4, writing linear equations. Okay, so first problem, find the rate of change for the data. All right, so rate of change, let's start with writing the formula. Rate of change equals change in y over change in x. Okay, just like your slope. All right, so gasoline in tank, gallon, and this will be our x, and then distance covered will be our y. Okay, so we're going to select 2 points here. So let's say we're gonna select these 2 points, 15 and 0, 12 and 66. So just plug in. This will be our x sub 1, and then this will be our x sub 2. This will be our y sub 1, and then your y sub 2. Okay, so go ahead, plug in and do the math. Okay, so what we have here, 66 minus 0 over 12 minus 15. So you have 66 over, what is 12 minus 15? Negative 3. So the rate of change will be negative 22. Okay? All right, let's check our work. So negative 22 miles per gallon. All right, next problem. Find the slope of the line that passes through points 2.3 and 9.5 and 3.8 and 20. Okay, so let's write our formula, slope. And what's the symbol for slope? What letter? You have m equals the change in y, so y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x2 minus x sub 1. Okay, so first we're going to label our points. So let's label this one as our x1, y1, and then x sub 2, and then y sub 2. Okay, all right, plug in guys and work it out. All right, let's see what you got so far. So plug in 20 minus 9.5 over 3.8 minus 2.3. Okay? All right, so what is 20 minus 9.5? So you will get 10.5 over 3.8 minus 2.3. So 8 minus 0.3, so you get 0.5. And then 3 minus 2, that gives you 1. Alright, so simplify 10.5 divided by 1.5. And then I got 7. Okay, so slope of the line is 7. Okay, next problem. How about this one? Try this one, guys. Okay, work it out, follow the formula, and plug in the values. Okay, what do you have there? So plug in 5 minus 5. So this will be our x1, y1. This will be our x2 and y sub 2. Okay, so 5 minus 5 gives you 0. Negative 6 minus 3. So that will give you 0 over negative 9. Okay, so 0 divided by a number equals 0. Right, very good. Last problem. How about this one? How do you find the slope given the graph? Okay, so there are two ways of doing it. The easiest way is by counting. Just count. So slope of the line equals rise over run. So you can use this one since the graph is given. So what you will do is select any 2 points on the line. So I'm gonna use this. This will be my first point. And then another point is gonna be here. Okay, so make sure it intersects with the grid. Okay, so go up 1. So that's our rise over to the left 1, 2, 3. So that's gonna be negative 3 because we're going to your left. Okay, so negative 1 over 3. That is the slope of the line. So your other point is to use the points, but for me, this is the shortest way. Okay? Alright, so that ends the review or the warm-up. I hope you still remember how to do this. Okay, and now you're ready for 2.4. Thank you for listening.